We want peace and tranquility in our counties of Kisumu, Siaya, Migori, and Homa Bay. If you plan a political rally, please do so with good intentions, but not as a way of provoking violence, so that you bastardize some people, make us look bad.
And we have prayed that as we go into this election year, this country remains united, because we all walk the same journey. Nobody must remain outside. All of us must remain inside, whether you are from which ethnic group or another. We should preach politics of unity, and we should play politics of bringing this country together.
He looks at Kenya and sees those parts of Kenya that have not been developed like the other parts, and he chooses to bring them up.
Our president has brought every person on the table, whether it's the church, whether it's the farmer, whether it's anybody. This broad-based government has become for everybody, has become inclusive.